Hey everyone, welcome back. You know how we all use Windows 10, right?
Right.
Well, we're going to do a deep dive today into something pretty important.
Okay.
It's about Windows 10 and what's going to happen to it. So
Interesting.
get this.
Yeah.
Windows 10 is actually going away. It's reaching its end of life.
End of life.
That's what they call it anyway.
Yes.
So we've got this communication here from Infinite Technology Solutions,
Okay.
and they lay out exactly what this all means. You know, you wake up one morning, you turn on your computer, and boom, no more support. No more security updates. Scary, right?
Yeah, that's a little unsettling. I mean, most people don't really think about this kind of stuff, right?
Nope. But it's a big deal.
Yeah, for sure.
So mark your calendars, folks,
I
because
have.
October 14th, 2025, that's the day.
What happens then?
That's when Microsoft says, sayonara to Windows 10. No more security updates, no more patches, nothing.
So it's like your computer is suddenly exposed, all those little bugs and vulnerabilities.
Exactly. And you know what that means? Malware, viruses, hackers. They're going to have a field day.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I hadn't thought about that.
And it's not just our computers crashing.
Right.
It's our data, our personal information. Everything's at risk.
That's a big deal.
Huge. And you know what else Infinite Technology Solutions points out?
What's that?
Compliance issues. Like
Yeah.
legal stuff.
Yeah. You know, a lot of businesses, especially, they have to follow certain rules about data protection.
Right. And if they're using outdated software, boom. Big fines, lawsuits, the whole 9 yards.
It's a huge liability.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So what can we do? What are our options here?
Well, according to Infinite Technology Solutions, we've got two main paths.
Okay, lay 'em on me.
First, if your device is compatible, upgrade to Windows 11. That's the easiest solution.
Simple enough.
Hmm.
But what about people with older computers?
That's where the second path comes in. You got to replace the hardware, get a new machine that can run Windows 11.
I see. So either upgrade or replace. Sounds like a no-brainer.
Pretty much.
No.
But you know what's great? There are companies out there like Infinite Technology Solutions.
Right.
They can help you figure out what to do. Assess your system, recommend upgrades or new hardware.
That's a relief. I was getting a little stressed just thinking about doing all this myself.
And they can even help with data backup.
Oh, that's crucial.
Yeah, you don't want to lose all your important files during the transition.
Absolutely not.
Yeah.
So bottom line, folks, October 14th, 2025, Windows 10 end of life.
It's coming.
You got to either upgrade to Windows 11 or get a new computer.
Don't wait till the last minute either.
Nope. Start planning now.
Seriously, talk to some experts, get their advice.
This is our digital lives we're talking about.
And for businesses, it's their livelihood too.
So yeah, this is serious stuff.
But hey, at least we're informed now, right?
Exactly. Knowledge is power.
Yeah.
And you know what? This makes you think, what other big tech changes are coming down the pike? What else do we need to be prepared for?
That's a great question. Something to ponder for sure.
Definitely. And we'll be here to break it all down for you when it happens. Until next time, folks, stay safe out there in the digital world.
And stay informed.